Okay friends, once again welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do some questions related to gamma function and beta function. On previous video we have done some proof related to gamma function and beta function, and we have also done the duplication formula. But today we are going to solve these three questions and we are going to conclude this each chapter. And then on the next video we are going to start the new topic. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you are new, if you haven't started any of the chapter like gamma function, beta function, there is separate playlist in my channel. You can visit my channel and watch the full playlist is to understand what the gamma function and beta function and its properties. Okay friends, let me start the question today. In the first question we have, we are going to solve the first from number 1. Then let's start one solution. Okay friends, what we have to do is here 0 to a x square a minus x square 3 by 2 dx. Now we have to solve this question using gamma function or relation between gamma function beta function. And let's start. First we have to in this question we have to substitute the x. Then what we are going to do, let me write the question first. A is equals to x square a square minus x square 3 by 2 dx. First we have to change this given question in beta function. Then we have relation between beta function and gamma function. We use that relation to solve this question. First, now we have to substitute. Put x is equals to a sine theta. As you know, when we are integrating the integral, when the question gives us like a square minus x square, we should always substitute x is equals to a sine theta. Whether it is under root or like this root under a square minus x square, then also we have to you have to use x is equals to a sine theta. Then let us differentiate dx is equals to a cos theta d theta. Then and we know that we have to check the limit also. Then let's check the limit. When x is equals to 0 comma theta is equals to, when you put x when you put 0 in place of x, then here we get sine inverse 0, and sine inverse 0 means 0. Now then when we put x is equals to a, then here when we put x is equals to a, x is replaced by a and a divided by a, then 1. Then then sine inverse 1 is equals to 90, then pi by 2. Now then we can write I is equals to 0 to pi by 2 a square sine square theta. A square is left it as it is. Then x square equals to a square sine square theta upon power 3 by 2 into, then dx is equals to a cos theta d theta. Now let's solve this integral. We have 0 to pi by 2 a square sine square theta. Then let's take common here, a square 1 minus sine square theta. Leave this a cos theta as it is. Then 0 to pi by 2. Again we have a square sine square theta. We have here power 3 by 2. This power belongs to a square also and 1 minus sine square theta also. Then when we distribute this power to each other, this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, and a cube into, and we know 1 minus sine square theta is equals to cos square theta. And when it becomes cos square theta, square and square cancel, then we have cos cube theta into a cos theta d theta. Now then what we can do, now we can add the like term, power of like term. Then a square 2 here we can add the power 3 plus 1 into sine square theta into here cos 4 theta d theta. Now here as we can see, we have sine theta into cos theta, and we have the properties of beta function in terms of sine and cos theta. Now first let's take this a outside. 3 plus 6, a to the power 6, 0 to pi by 2 sine square theta into cos 4 theta d theta. Now friends, let me write the properties of beta function. What we have: bm comma n is equals to 2 0 to pi by 2 sine theta 2m minus 1 cos theta 2n minus 1 d theta. Now this is the properties we are going to use, and now we have the integral a to the power 6 0 to pi by 2 sine square theta into cos 4 theta d theta. Now we have this integral, and we are going to compare this integral with the properties of beta function. Here we have here we have sine square theta and cos 4 theta. Now we are going to change this integral in this form. Let's start. I is equals to a to the power 6 0 to pi by 2 sine. Then how can we do this? Let's check. Is equals to 2. Then 2m is equals to 3, m is equals to 3 by 2. Then we can write 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1. Then we will get sine square theta into, let's check cos also, minus equals to 4. 2n is equals to 5. Then n is equals to 5 by 2. Then we can write here cos 2 into 5 by 2 minus 1 d theta. Then here sine theta. Then we can get here 2 will be cancelled, and 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Then we can this is the we need 2 and 2 get cancelled. Then this integral will become like sine square theta into cos 4 theta. Then here we have in properties of beta function, we have 0 to pi by 2 sine theta 2m minus 1, and this but here we lack 2. Yes, in properties of beta function we have 0 to pi by 2 sine theta 2m minus 1 cos theta 2m minus 1, but in here in our integral we lack 2. So we can what can we do is 2 into we can add and divide to the whole integral. Then we can convert this our integral into the properties into the form just like the properties of beta function. Now then we have now compare this part with the properties of beta function. We can say that beta then here we can write 3 by 2 in place of m, 3 by 2 in place of m, and 5 by 2 in place of n is equals to beta m gamma n upon gamma m plus 1. This is the relation between beta function and gamma function. And friends, if you are new to the channel and you haven't seen any of my video, then I kindly suggest you to go to my YouTube channel and search for the playlist beta function and gamma function. You can find all the topics related to beta function and gamma function there. Now friends, let's solve this problem. Here we have a to the power 6 and 2 also. Then 3 by 2 5 by 2 gamma 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 equals to as you know guys, n gamma n is equals to n plus 1. We have already studied this properties. We are going to this properties here. Now let's solve. Now 3 by 2 means 1 by 2 into root pi into 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 3 by 2 plus 1. Yes guys, then 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi. Don't get if you are getting confusion, then you should check out my first video related to gamma function, and I have briefly described here how it happens. so don't get confusion in this part. Now let's add this 5 plus 3 8. 8 by 2 means 4. 4 means 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. And this whole solution is described in the first video of gamma function and properties. Do check that video, guys, to clear the confusion. Now let's here into a power 6 by 2. Now here pi into pi, root pi into root pi by 3 by 2 to the 2 into 2, 4 4 to the 8, 8 whole upon 6 into a square by 2. Now guys, let's solve this equation. 3 pi by 8 into 1 by 6 into a square by 2. Then 3 pi a square upon 8 into 6 into 2. Okay guys, just we have to solve this. Then in 6 to the 12 into 8, 12 into 8, we have to solve this, and the answer will be here. Okay guys, let me use the calculator. Then we get 3 pi a square by 96. That means pi a square by 32. Okay guys, this is the answer, and we have finally solved the problem. The solution of first problem is completed. Now we are moving to the second. Problem, and our second problem is 0 to pi by 8 cos cube x dx equals to 1 by 6. Okay guys, let's start this problem. In this type of problem, we have to substitute similar to the first problem, but here we have to substitute 4x. Then let's start. Put 4x equals to 2. You can substitute whatever you like. 4 dx equals to dt. Therefore dx equals to dt by 4. As I have already told you guys, we have to check the limit also. Then when x is equals to 0, t is equals to 0, and when x is equals to pi by 8, comma t will be pi by 2. Now then let's solve the equation, guys. 0 to pi by 2, I is equals to, then cos cube t dx. Cos cube t dx. Okay guys, now now what we have to do is I is equals to 0 to pi by 2. Here we have 1, then sine. Okay guys, here cos cube 2 into 1 means cos cube 2. Then in 1 means 1, in place of 1 we can write sine 0 t into cos cube t into, sorry guys, here dt, dt by 4. Then dt by 4. Okay guys, then let's take this 4 outside. 1 by 4 is equals to 0 to pi by 2 sine 0 t into cos cube t dt. Okay guys, as we have already done in first question, let this equation be changed into the form of properties of beta function in term of sine and cos. What we can do is 2m minus 1 is equals to 0, then 2m is equals to 1, m is equals to 1 by 2. Okay guys, we have already got one solution how to change sine theta. Then let's begin. Then into 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1, it makes sine 0, and here 2n minus 1 is equals to 3. Then 2n is equals to 4, n is equals to 2, n is equals to 2. Then guys, cos 2 into 2 minus 1 dt. Okay guys, just we have to now we have to put 2 into 1. Okay, here 2 upon 2, then 0 to pi by 2 sine 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 into cos 2 into 2 minus 1 dt. Okay guys, then we have converted this into properties of similar properties of beta function. Then we can use b m comma n is equals to gamma m gamma n upon gamma m plus 1 m plus n. Now guys, we have beta m is equals to 1 by 2 comma n is equals to 2 is equals to, and we have here 1 by 8 also. Then we can write gamma m1 gamma 2 upon 1 by 2 plus 2. Guys, let's begin. We can write gamma 1 by 2 is equals to root pi into 2 means gamma 2 means 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 1 in upon, then we have 1 by 2 into 2 means 5 by 2. Gamma 5 by 2 means 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi into 1 by 8 we have here. Then root pi is cancelled. Then 1 upon 3 by 2 into 1 by 8. And then we can solve this, and then we can write 2 by 3 into 1 by 8. 2 here I think I have done mistake. 2 let's check one more time. 3 by 2 into 2, then 1 upon 3 by 2, 1 upon 8. Let me check in calculator, guys. 3 divided by 2, 1 upon 1.5 divided by 8, 0.01 divided by 6. Okay guys, let me check where I have done mistake. 4 to the 8, 1 by 4, and 4x is equals to 4 dt. This is fine. Then where 4 to the 8, then 1 by 2 is equals to 2 into 1, 1 by 2 plus 2, and then 4 5 by 2, 5 by 2 changes to 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi, and then 3 by 4 guys here. I have done with 2 to the 4, then 3 by 4, and 4 goes upward, 4 1 the 4 to the 8, here comes 1 by 6. Okay guys, we have already solved the second problem also. Hope you understand. We have done nothing, just substituting 4x is equals to t, then solving this question in the form of properties of beta function in terms of sine and cos, and then in comparing, and then we have used relation between gamma function and beta function, and by that relation we have solved the equation. Now guys, we are moving to the third and last question, and our last question and our third question and last question for this topic is 0 to pi by 6 cos 4 3 theta into sine square 6 theta is equals to 5 by 192. Okay. Oh guys, in this question also we have to substitute, and let me tell you one thing. Just look at the form, guys. Here we have 3 theta and we have 6 theta. We cannot substitute 6 theta is equals to t, but we can substitute 3 theta is equals to t, and then later change it into the formula, and we can solve that problem. Now guys, let us start. Put 3 theta is equals to t. Now then 3 d theta is equals to dt, then d theta is equals to dt by 3. Now let us check the limit also, guys. Now when theta is equals to 0 comma t is equals to 0, when theta is equals to pi by 6, then we have t is equals to pi by 2. Then again guys, we can easily now when the limit are changes to 0 to pi by 2, we can easily convert this into the form of into the properties of beta function in term of sine and cos, and then we can compare it with using relation, and we can solve the problem. Now let us start. 0 to pi by 2, then cos 4 3 theta is equals to t into sine square here 3 theta is replaced by t, and we here 2 into 3 theta is replaced by t, and remaining 2 is multiply with t, then we get 2 t into then dt is equals to dt by 3. Okay guys, now here now 1 by 3 is 1 by 3 is replace 1 by 3 is bring outside, then we can use cos 4 theta, cos 40 into, now we can use the sin 2 theta formula. Sin 2 theta we can use here sin 2 theta formula. We can use sin yes, we can use sin 2 theta formula. We have sin theta dot, here we can use sin 2 theta formula, and we have sin theta dot cos theta, cos not theta, here we have to write t theta whole square into dt. Now then or I is equals to 1 by 3, we can write 0 to pi by 2 cos 4t into sin square t into cos square t dt. Now we can use we can add the power of the same base, then we get cos 6t into sin square t dt. Now friends, let's change this integral into the form of properties of beta function in terms of sin and cos. What we get, let's check. 2m minus 1 is equals to 6, then 2m is equals to 7, then m is equals to 7 by 2. Okay friends, 1 by 3 into 2 by 2, we have to change this into form pi by 2. Now then first we have to change sign. 2m minus 1 is equals to 2 is equals to 3 by 2, then sin 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1 t into cos 2 into 7 by 2 minus 1 dt. Okay friends, we have got then beta m comma n is equals to gamma m into gamma n upon gamma m plus n. Okay, now we have got m is equals to 3 by 2, n is equals to 7 by 2, and 3 by 2 plus 7 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2 plus 7 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 into root pi. 7 by 2 means 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root pi. Then 7 plus 3 is equals to 10 by 2, 5, 4 into 3 into 2. Then we have into 1 by 6. After solving this, we get 5 pi by 192. Hence proved. Okay friend, we have just completed the topic beta function and gamma function. Hope you guys understand, and if you have any comments and if you have any doubts and comments, you can leave it in the comment box, and I will get back to you very soon. If you like this explanation and my solving process, you can hit the like button and share among your friends, and please for latest update please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, this is much for today.